Hello there, how are you? Here Manuel, registered dietitian. I'm here in San Francisco. Tell me where you're watching me from right now. I would like to know. It's so sunny here today, and it seems sunny skies, it's clear, beautiful. Well, today I am making a delicious polenta beef casserole with plenty of vegetables. This recipe actually has 20 servings of vegetables. So serve 6 people. So each person will get 3.5 servings of vegetables. And as you know, canned tomato products counts as a vegetable. A 1/2 cup of canned tomato product is 1 serving of vegetable. All right, so are you ready? Let's get cooking, my friends. So now here I have onions that I've been sauteing already to accelerate the process. And we're gonna add a bit of garlic. All right, and there we go. And I like to caramelize the onions so they taste delicious. All right, this is good. Now I'm using, this is lean beef, 93% fat, because again, this recipe is low in calories. And one way to do that is by choosing lean meat. Perfect. Now, while this is cooking, I'm actually going to move this here now. While this is cooking, I am going to process the vegetables that I'm going to use in the recipe. And I have my food processor here. We have mushrooms. All right, this is going to take a little while. Then I have carrots, and I'm sure the recipe card will be shown soon. And lastly, bell peppers. Love this. All right. Now, we're gonna start this. I'm gonna actually shake it up a bit to make sure everything gets in there. Do it one more time. Perfect. Now we're gonna add here the tomato products. This is tomato paste. And just use a whole can. Perfect. So tomato paste or any other canned tomato product actually is not processed, doesn't have it has no preservatives and no additives, and the heating process of the canned tomatoes is what preserves the tomatoes, and they preserve them fresh. The taste is incredible. And also actually the heating process helps to activate lycopene. Lycopene is a phytonutrient that is found in canned tomato products that is potent as a potent anti-inflammatory phytonutrient, good for your heart, and for men, good for the prostate. So we're gonna put that in here now, and we're gonna now add, this is diced canned tomatoes. Beautiful there. And then this is tomato sauce, a whole can too. So I wanna know if you use canned tomato products, and what do you use for? Do you normally have it at your home? Are they in your pantry? These are always in my pantry because they're so handy, and I can cook beautifully anytime with canned tomato products. Tell me in the comments, what recipes do you make using canned tomato products? I would love to hear that too. And now let's make these stir well there. And now I'm gonna add the vegetables in here as well. So this is my sauce for the polenta casserole. All right, so let's do that. I have to be careful with this blade here. It's really sharp. So hold on one second. I don't want my blood in here. So now we're gonna add all these vegetables, beautiful, in the sauce. There you go. So as you can see, I only use a pound of beef, and a bunch of vegetables. Again, this recipe provides 20 servings of vegetables. That's outstanding. All right, so now we're gonna cook this for a little bit. And remember, don't worry about the beef because you're gonna cook this in the oven for another 45 minutes. So that will be when the beef gets cooked completely. And then, you maybe simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes so you can get all the flavors mixed in together beautifully. Now we're gonna season this with some sea salt. Perfect. I also have here oregano. I love oregano, great flavor, and black pepper. Okay. Now we're gonna continue stirring. And the sauce is almost ready. And then we're gonna arm the polenta casserole. Now, another thing that I love about canned tomato products is the taste. The taste is so important because canned tomato products are umami. They provide the umami flavors. Umami is your fifth receptor, and that's what enhances flavors. So this dish has a lot of umami flavors. Parmesan cheese, beef, and canned tomato products. It's quite delicious. I always like to use umami flavors. Oh, actually, the mushrooms are also umami. All right, so now that this is done, we're going to arm the casserole. I want to make sure I don't burn myself. I'm going to move this a little bit to the side now. There you go. So I can put my pan in here. And then we have this. Perfect. So we're going to spray some non-stick spray oil. Perfect. The oven has been preheated at 350, by the way. So that's going there. And now, by the way, this you already can buy. These are polenta tubes. I just cut in circles, 1/2 inch of diameter. And we're gonna first put the first layer. There you go. So nice. It doesn't have to be perfect, by the way. Boom. And then that's the bottom. And now we're gonna actually add the sauce. And I have my big spoon here. Can you pass me the big spoon from over there, please? I forgot to put it in here. I have a team here that helps me. There you go. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you so much. All right, so he's my intern. He's gonna be a registered dietitian, just like me. Now we're gonna add the sauce. Perfect. And then, as you can see, the smells and the colorful, this is full of vegetables and lovely. All right, so then we're gonna add now mozzarella. So this is about 3 ounces. I'm probably gonna add about 2 ounces here of mozzarella. I love cheesy things. They melt so well and it's tasty. By the way, this is part skin mozzarella, so it's lower in the fat, so less calories as well. Now we're gonna get another layer of these polenta circles that you can buy this in the store already made like this. And now we top it off again with more sauce. Now if you want to add more polenta circles, you can buy 2 tubes. I only use 1, and for me, I love it just like that. This is so good. You know, the best thing is that this is for your entire family, and it can last for the week. You can refrigerate it, and if you don't finish it, you can freeze it and then use it as needed. I'm sure sometimes you're so busy that you don't have time to cook, but you make something delicious already like this that can be saved in the freezer up to 3 months. So that's a plus. And now we are going to top it off with more cheese. Now this is mozzarella again, just a bit. for flavor, and of course Parmesan cheese, which is quite delicious. Now I have something for you. If I can give you a free PDF with 21 snacks, it's a 21 snacks guide. What you need to do is go to my website, mvnutrition.com. The copy, the URL is above. You can see it. Just go there and you can download your ebook with 21 beautiful snacks. All right, so pretty much what you do next is cover with aluminum foil and bake for 45 minutes. And then after that, unfoil, take the foil out, put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes, and you have your beautiful polenta beef casserole with tons of veggies. But of course, I have already something made because I want to taste it. All right, so let's see. So good. Okay, this is so explosive in flavors and nutritious. I mean, seriously, easy to make. So now it's your turn to make this polenta beef casserole. And I hope you have enjoyed today's caliente topic. Remember, if you want to learn more about myself, visit Villacorta.com. If you want to go get your PDF, your 21 snacks, go to mvnutrition.com. Okay, until next time. Bye now.